Una welcome my country people. This na PG News. And my name na X to the L to the V. A silver and upon with radio. Our number 2 in the country, which is OGA Kashim Shetima. Them say he don't go visit the Mwakwa victim when water pack the whole community come by over 157 persons. As Oga Shetima yarn with 3 persons, he say, Kai, Subhanallahi, Alhamdulillahi. Now so him just dey pray in tongues because of say waiting I read Facebook and call for there. He say he no gadget at all at all. Oga Shetima advise them, say make them take heart, say God know why all these things shele for this community. And may they remember, say all we Nigerians say then they pray for them. And them to ever say then they in government say they no go leave them alone. Oh, then they their back. Adio, kia Oga Shetima say, as he dey like this now, say we presido, say him to no dey better because of say waiting happen like this, him no dey kaja, the thing too they touch am for Liverpool. Say making yarn them all the promises when we say win number 1 seat, which is Alhaji Tinubu. Say him don't promise them all. Say him go give them 2 billion naira. May they take renovate, may they take flood rate, may they take physiology, all the broken houses. Say everything there, made them every say made them fix them with 2 billion naira. Them say 2 billion naira now, pound now immediately the money go just land. May they take start their project. But what me want boy now? What me I want as Ray? As soon as they fix those houses now, when I don't fix the major problem when cause this kasala, where this flood they take penetrate, even till it can't reach where you can't pipe people like this, finish the whole community. When I don't check them with federal government, when I don't Facebook that place, that is number 1 problem when we say when I go fix first. Before even if they go renovate, may them talk about renovation. Then they give them the standard living. After all, people will not pay, how they will take live again. But because of the coming generation, they could not fix the problem. So that the thing go dey kajat and it no go shell again. One of we local officer, when him name na Musa Kimboku, the man yarn with 3 persons so say over 500 persons now, they never take their face, take boy them. Say the way they think they happen like this, even then when they be local checker, when we say that then they go up and down, they enter the water, enter bush, go they find these people either alive or dead. Say them too, they don't tire. See as it is like this now, they don't come out hope. Even their liver self don't run, leave their soul. Sake of say, them no believe again. Say this 500 persons when we them never see, say them go still come back alive. Kajali. Oh my God. Now the sad news now when we say they hit Mokwa inside Niger State with that total whole community. Them say water pack them. Now during the day of Noah, no say water they do this kind of thing. But this one, it happened for my present. Oh, I want a city. I want a country. Now so my pigeon brother Janos. We always dey pray, make the departed soul rest in perfect Baba God there, and make them no see wahala again. If not, this one is too much. Now here I go put you come for today PG News. Until I come your way next time, my name is Sirimi, my name. Don't forget to hit us. X to the L to the V. A silver and up on the radio. I'm signing out.